This is a nice little support buy. And we have a trade setup here called inside day support buy, where a stock has an inside day, holds up at a support level, looks like a disaster into the support, has the inside day and just pivots higher. So this one actually makes a lot of sense. High risk reward potential in this one. I like this.
It almost kind of, where it is now, kind of reminds you, if you look over at like May 13th, it had like the two days down, a push down through.
Exactly.
Kind of had that.
I mean, we've just seen this pattern come through for this stock, multiple times, where like it looks like disaster coming to the support level, pivots, continues higher. So you're looking for that pattern to continue.